Donc voilà, donc on va avancer. On va avancer avec la deuxième présentation de Dr Ponga Montserrat, qui cette fois va nous parler d'un traitement aussi original que celui qu'elle a évoqué tout à l'heure, qui est l'association des techniques endodermiques avec les techniques fractionnées. Donc je lui donne la parole tout de suite. Voilà.
Okay, thank you again. I try only one patient to show you how I worked with a combination of uh, those techniques. Okay, all of us know the social and emotional repercussion of the acne scars and the main side effects as the hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, as you know. Okay, in my mind, I always have the use of non-ablative fractional nanosecond endotight laser to create the two effect for rejuvenation and for treat the scars, the Lyo effect and the intradermical laser-induced cavitation. This one was my patient. I only show him only one time, only the day I did the treatment, because he lives out of Spain and he came to see me because she heard about the endotight treatment to treat their scars, their arterial acne scars. And I'll show you how I worked. Unfortunately, I never thought about show this treatment, and I don't have any picture about all the steps I will show you. I'm so sorry. Okay, first of all, I use the subcision with my optical fiber, of course. The second step was placement of autologous exosomes obtained by PRP. The third step was full spot ablation in the top of the scars, and the last step was to work with fractional Q-switch and DJAK. The only one difference between my first presentation is the anesthetic solution preparation, because as you can see, the quantity of lidocaine is higher than the other, is double than the other, and in this case I use triamcinolone to avoid the excessive of inflammation post treatment. Okay, I did a very extensive subcision because you show the important scar and the fibrotic reaction of the skin. And in this case, I worked with the R27 handpiece with my optical fiber introduced into the rigid cannula. The second step was introduce the autologous exosomes obtained through from the PRP to prevent the collapse between the different planes of the skin produced for the inflammation reaction immediately. After that, I use the full spot Irving-Jack ablation on the elevated part of the scars with those parameters. And the last one was work with FH20A, very, very deep with MQX10 and with my Spencer -3 to go very, very deep in the skin, and as you can see, with very, very high energy. And after 8 months, I could obtain the pictures, the post-treatment pictures. He sent me by WhatsApp, and that was the result. One side and the other side. Okay, very, very good result. But this is the unique treatment I show you. Okay, thank you so much for your attention. Shukran.
Thank you, thank you. Any questions? Des questions pour ce cas? Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much for this brilliant case. I have a question. Can we use the erbium yak instead of the FS20?
Of course, thank you. Of course, we could use FS31, but I prefer to choose to use photoacoustic effect because of the time to recover the lesion we do, the injury we do over the skin is very shorter than with the photothermal effect. I use always the combination of two modality to work with thermal effect and photoacoustical effect, because in my opinion, it is only my experience, I think the recovery period is shorter and the results are better.
Thank you again.